Welcome to today's video about turmeric water at night benefits. What if I told you there was a simple drink you could make tonight that could change your life? What if I told you this drink has been used for centuries to treat ailments and promote health? What if I told you this drink is made with just 2 simple ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen? This is turmeric water. And tonight, we're going to explore 10 incredible benefits of drinking it before bed. But that's not all. We're also going to show you how to make the perfect cup of turmeric water and share some tips and tricks for maximizing its benefits. So if you're ready to discover the power of turmeric water, grab a cup and join us for this suspenseful and engaging journey. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Let's now explore the benefits of turmeric water one by one, starting with number 1. Regulate blood sugar levels. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Recent research has shown that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. In a study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism, researchers found that curcumin supplementation improved fasting blood glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in patients with type 2 diabetes. Another study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that curcumin can lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose. Drinking turmeric water at night can be a simple and effective way to incorporate this beneficial spice into your diet. This can help reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can have long-term benefits for overall health. Number 2. Improves brain function. Turmeric water has gained a lot of attention recently for its potential health benefits when it comes to improving brain function. Turmeric water can have a significant impact. Several studies have shown that curcumin can enhance cognitive function and memory, as well as reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. One study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in people with mild age-related memory loss. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation in the brain, which can impair cognitive function. It also increases the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes the growth of new brain cells and enhances synaptic plasticity. Drinking turmeric water at night can help you take advantage of the brain-boosting benefits of curcumin. So, if you want to boost your brain power, give turmeric water a try tonight. Number 3. Reduces anxiety and depression. I'm thrilled to share some fascinating insights on how turmeric water at night can help reduce anxiety and depression. Recent research has unveiled the incredible power of turmeric, a golden spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine. One groundbreaking study titled Curcumin in Antidepressant Treatments delves into the potent compound curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is known to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties that work together to combat anxiety and depression. But that's not all. Turmeric contains over 100 other beneficial compounds, including turmerone and elamine, which also contribute to these positive effects. Drinking turmeric water at night promotes the release of serotonin and dopamine, 2 neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. This magical potion works as a natural antidepressant and improves sleep quality, which is essential for mental health. In a nutshell, incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is a powerful, natural way to keep anxiety and depression at bay. So don't wait any longer. Experience the remarkable benefits of turmeric and add a touch of golden goodness to your life today. Number 4. Supports liver health. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice, is known for its powerful medicinal properties, thanks to its unique compounds called curcuminoids. The most famous among them is curcumin, but other substances like D-methoxycurcumin and bis-D-methoxycurcumin also play a significant role in supporting liver health. Now here's the exciting part. Recent research has shown that these magical compounds exhibit potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. A study published in the journal Antioxidants 2020 revealed that curcuminoids help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of damaged liver cells. What's more, turmeric water at night supports the production of bile, which is crucial for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from our body. A 2019 study in the Journal of Food, Science, and Technology found that turmeric extract can improve liver function by increasing bile production and flow. So if you want to show some love to your liver, try having a glass of warm turmeric water before bedtime. Number 5. Aids in weight loss. Turmeric water at night has become a popular weight loss remedy, and for good reason. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry 2019 found that a compound called turmerone, in addition to curcumin, can help reduce fat accumulation and improve lipid metabolism. This means that drinking turmeric water at night may boost your body's ability to burn fat while you sleep. Moreover, a research article from the Journal of Functional Foods 2018 highlighted that consuming turmeric can increase the production of bile in the liver, which is essential for breaking down fats. This, in turn, promotes better digestion and aids in weight loss. So why not give turmeric water a try tonight? Number 6. Relieves joint pain. Turmeric water at night can work wonders in relieving joint pain thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from curcumin, turmeric contains over 200 other unique compounds, including turmerones and gingerols, which also contribute to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. These compounds work together to inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, which cause joint pain and stiffness. In fact, a recent study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food 2016 found that a combination of curcumin and essential turmeric oils provided better pain relief and improved joint function in people with osteoarthritis compared to curcumin alone. This golden elixir not only eases joint pain, but also helps you sleep better, thanks to its natural, soothing effect on the nervous system. Number 7. Improves digestion. Turmeric water at night can improve digestion due to its ability to stimulate the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats. Additionally, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the digestive system, thus promoting better digestion. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its health benefits, including its ability to improve digestion. However, research suggests that other compounds in turmeric, such as turmerone and turmerin, may also play a role in promoting healthy digestion. In a 2015 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, researchers found that turmerone, a compound in turmeric, can increase the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve digestion. Another study, published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2018, found that curcumin, another compound in turmeric, can protect against digestive disorders by reducing inflammation in the gut. However, it's important to note that turmeric can interact with certain medications, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your diet. Number 8. Boosts immunity. Turmeric contains several unique compounds other than the well-known curcumin that work synergistically to enhance your immune system's response. One such compound is gingerol, which is present in turmeric and has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol helps to neutralize free radicals that can cause damage to your cells, and this can boost your immune system's ability to fight infections. Another compound in turmeric, called bis-dimethylcurcumin, has been shown to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. It also helps to activate the immune system's response to pathogens, making it easier for your body to defend itself against invaders. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine not only boosts your immune system, but can also improve your overall health and well-being. Number 9. Promotes healthy skin. Turmeric water at night is like a secret potion for glowing skin that has been passed down through generations. It is a powerful elixir that can transform dull, tired skin into a radiant complexion that turns heads. Turmeric is not just any ordinary spice. It is a gift from nature that contains a treasure trove of health-promoting compounds. While curcumin is the most well-known and studied compound, turmeric also contains other unique compounds that work together to promote healthy skin. Turmerone and AR-turmerone are two compounds found in turmeric that have been shown to increase the production of collagen, the protein that gives skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. Collagen production decreases as we age, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. By boosting collagen production, turmeric water at night can help to reverse the signs of aging, giving you a more youthful appearance. In addition to its anti-aging benefits, turmeric water at night can also help to fight acne and other skin infections. So, if you want to unlock the secret to beautiful, glowing skin, try drinking turmeric water at night. Before we reveal the last and most exciting benefit of turmeric water, we kindly ask you to show your support by liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. This helps us to spread the word and inspire more people to take control of their health with the power of natural remedies. Thank you for your support. Number 10. Improve erectile dysfunction. Did you know that turmeric has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments? In addition to its well-known anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric also contains a range of unique compounds that contribute to its health benefits, including those that may help improve erectile dysfunction. One such compound is AR-turmerone, which has been shown in studies to stimulate the production of adult stem cells in the brain. This is exciting because stem cells have the potential to regenerate damaged tissue, including nerve tissue, which can play a role in ED. Another compound found in turmeric is xanthorizol, which has been shown to have antispasmodic properties. This means that it may help relax the smooth muscles in the penis, allowing for increased blood flow and improved erections. So, if you're looking for a natural way to potentially improve your ED symptoms, consider adding turmeric water to your nightly routine. Now let's see how to prepare turmeric water. Preparing turmeric water is very easy, and there are a few different methods you can use. Here are two simple ways to make turmeric water. First method, turmeric powder and water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water. Instructions. In a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any lumps or impurities. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. Next, Method 2, fresh turmeric root and water. Ingredients: 1 fresh turmeric root, about 2 inches long, 2 cups water. Instructions: rinse the turmeric root under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Grate the turmeric root using a fine grater or chop it into small pieces. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add the grated or chopped turmeric to the boiling water and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any lumps or impurities. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. You can also add a bit of honey, lemon, or ginger to your turmeric water for extra flavor and health benefits. Just be sure to stir well before drinking. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you're taking any medications or have a medical condition. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the incredible benefits of turmeric water at night, we hope you feel inspired to give this powerful drink a try. From reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin to boosting brain function and aiding in weight loss, the potential benefits of turmeric water are numerous and impressive. But remember, turmeric water is not a miracle cure-all and should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment or advice. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed learning about turmeric water and that you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.